and they taste so good, and they're red.
What are you eating?
I'm eating grapes, and they're good, and they're red. And I have a yellow bowl. Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Gotta say yes in the picture.
Yes, that's right, yeah.
Okay. Now, I'm going to show a picture.
Whip your hair back and forth.
I'm going to whip my hair back and forth.
You gotta sing the song.
I whip my hair back and forth. 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 Whip my hair back and forth.
Sing it.
I don't know the other part.
Okay. You all done? You gonna teach them how to Dougie?
Yeah.
Dougie.
Yeah, but I have to stand up.
No, you don't. You can do it like that. Fine, go ahead, stand up. Teach me how to Dougie. 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 Everybody love me. Everybody love me. Everybody love me. That's all, folks. So that's all, folks.
That's all, folks.